Hi, I'm Dr. Kurt Woeller for Autism Recovery System. If you've done an organic acids test from Great Plains Laboratory, I would recommend you take a look at it. And there's a couple markers I want to point out. On the first page, markers 2, 4, and 5 are markers linked to Aspergillus mold exposure. Now, commonly, 2 and 4 are present, 5 is not, but sometimes you'll see 5 present as well. 2, 4, and 5 on the organic acid test on page 1 is linked to Aspergillus mold exposure. Now, that mold could be acquired through food or the environment, such as a water-damaged building, for example. I've actually had cases where the mold was actually coming from a classroom at school that had water damage. Another test that I would encourage you to do is the Great Plains mycotox profile. Mycotoxins are the toxins that mold produces, or certain molds produce. Those mycotoxins are not measured on the organic acid test. The mycotoxins are measured from the mycotox profile. Both are urine tests. And I often have people start with the organic acid test and then add on other tests as complementary assessments. So we add on the GPL mycotox profile to assess for different types of mycotoxins, because there are other mycotoxins that are produced by other types of mold other than Aspergillus. There's mycotoxins that are produced from penicillium mold, for example. There's mycotoxins that are produced from a common mold called Fusarium. So the only way to assess for mycotoxins is off the mycotoxin test. But you should always pair it with the organic acids test as well. Now, these tests are available from Great Plains Laboratory. If you're not able to order, your doctor can actually order those tests by them setting up an account with Great Plains. There's a website too that you can access these lab tests from called Lab Tests Plus. You can go to labtestplus.com and look under the Great Plains Laboratory section for the ordering of those tests, the organic acid test and the mycotox profile. Any lab that's actually ordered through Lab Test Plus comes to us. We sit down and do a written review of the most relevant markers and then give what are called action step suggestions based on the test finding. So for more information about Lab Test Plus, go to labtestplus.com. For more information about interacting with me through the Autism Recovery System website, you can go to autismrecoverysystem.com. Thanks.